So for those of you who actually want to see me put it together and go through one step at a time, just how to assemble the standing desk, you can keep watching and I'll do that for you now. And so there's a fifth reason also why I just really like this standing desk. I did not see this coming before I bought it. It is not why I bought the standing desk. It just kind of served as sort of a bonus. And that was that the instructions were super clear. The setup was just really simple with this. It comes with a really nice instructions manual. And not only does it make it really easy as far as the numbers and the letters are concerned when it's talking about the different parts and the tools that are used to put the standing desk together, it also comes with pictures. Colored pictures. Right, colored pictures. So, you know, maybe it's the kid in me that always liked picture books, but it just makes it super simple in that you can just simply copy the pictures as you're building this thing. So I actually took pictures, as you can see here, so you can just pause on each picture as needed. I just went straight through the user guide for the Monomi electric standing desk, right? So I took a picture of step 1. That's where we're just connecting the desktop. And then step 2, step 3, step 4, all the way through. So hopefully this is really helpful for you just so you can pause and see what it looks like to complete each step. As long as you follow each step in order and you just go straight through the user guide or the assembly guide or the instructions manual for the Monomi electric